Secure all loose articles and proceed to the furthest open seat in your row. Hold on, around to physically check your shoulder harness and seatbelts forward.
You almost dropped your glasses?
Sure did.
Inside the ride at all times.
And you'll be right back.
150, the police pull down your restraints and go for your seat.
Yep.
All here.
Ground goes.
Probably the first one I've ridden on, and my feet are hanging.
Ah, yeah, this is a floorless coaster.
Like Menace, we're going to go backwards.
No backwards. But we're gonna hang.
Oh, I wish I had like that. Send me a picture.
Yeah. So it's fairly smooth and short.
That one would have been really good if we would have waited about another 20 minutes.
Of course, after eating all the greasy fries and stuff, might not have been a good idea.
That wasn't so bad.
Not too bad? Okay, good.